Hi, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm standing here out the front of our latest project. We decided to replace the old rundown front door with this beautiful new Parkwood door behind me. I love that this new door lets in so much more natural light. This entry foyer used to be quite a dark, dingy space with the old frosted glass. Parkwood doors are made from thermally modified timber with a patent on its production process. The timber is called Vulcan. It won't move, bow or twist, no matter what the conditions are. Now, we also replaced all of the internal doors at this property. What we had at the property previously were very old, very outdated timber veneer look. Very flat, no character. We decided to then go with these beautiful Parkwood doors. They are of the highest quality and they are absolutely beautiful to look at. People often overlook investing in their internal doors, and I can't recommend highly enough how important it is to consider the quality you want in your home, but also the aesthetic that a door like this can provide. Parkwood Doors is a family-run business. They really care about their products and customers. Head over to their website to check out their range today.